What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Freak Eating. Last September, we took a trip to North Dakota for a cousin's birthday party, and I had the opportunity to meet relatives I'd never met before. We also took in the local tourist scenery in Minot and the surrounding areas. It was also my chance to attempt my first food challenge in the state of North Dakota. So here we are in the headquarters of the Dakota Burger Company to tackle the infamous Burgerpocalypse challenge. With no fanfare, no BS, and no stalling, it's time to eat.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I am ready.
Alright. Ready.
There aren't many restaurants featuring challenges in Minot. The Dakota Burger Company will give you a free meal and a shirt if you can finish off their 3-pound burger and a side of fries or tater tots inside of 30 minutes. Otherwise, you'll be paying about $30 and walking away with a heavy midsection. The burger is cooked just the way you like it and comes in a large crumbly brioche bun. You get your choice of cheese, and I made the foolish choice of picking provolone. It's a bad pick because the provolone melts and it congeals to the beef like glue in a way that other cheeses just don't. I never had the chance to pick provolone on a challenge before, and I'll likely never choose it again. At least the burger was flavorful. Not overdone, not underdone. Just like Goldilocks, just right, a bit tender and easy to get down. I was hesitant on the cheese, to avoid choking sensation, so I chewed well. I could have picked cheddar or Monterey Jack or Swiss, but no, I picked provolone and suffered. The choices in this challenge make it a winner for me. Not just the cheese, but you can also pick fries or tots. Fries are so common on food challenges that I jumped for tater tots. The tots are crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and their saltiness complemented the sweetness of the bun very nicely. I pushed myself towards the middle of the meal, and I was fairly confident I'd catch the challenge in time. But will I actually catch it? Who knows? You'll have to watch and find out. And boom goes the dynamite. With a few minutes to spare, I completed the Burgerpocalypse challenge and scored my first restaurant challenge win in the state of North Dakota. For my efforts, I won a free meal and a cool t-shirt to show all my friends. It was a fun time, but I still walked away with a heavy midsection. A little something to remember that plane ride home by. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Pretty soon I'll start my 3 video series from New England that I completed late last year in December. Plenty of freak eating to come still. Until we eat again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.